When analyzing Edition Roasters' internal and external factors, the cafe is advantaged from its fusion of Japanese and Scandinavian brand identity, in-house brewing methods, and strategically placed locations. However, weaknesses that emerge include limited brand awareness, smaller marketing budget than cafe franchises, and due to Edition Roasters' boutiqueness, scalability is noticeably difficult. Externally, rising demand for premium social media appeal from cafes, sustainability emphasis, and high volumes of social media engagement all create key opportunities. However, major threats include the level of saturation among the cafe industry and price sensitivity to premium priced products.
So, the main objective of this campaign for Edition Roasters is to increase foot traffic for stores in both Chinatown and the CBD. The specific way we will achieve this is by offering limited time seasonal menus which match the current season and evoke themes of both Japanese and Scandinavian fusion matching together. We believe that this promotion will increase the level of foot traffic by around 20%, which will in turn cause an increase in sales of 15%. With this increase in foot traffic, we could also see an increase in amounts of pictures taken and posts consumers make, further promoting the business. The seasonal menu would change based on the current season or special event, which could create a sense of urgency to try the product while it's still being offered.
Our target audience includes 19 to 50-year-olds, including corporate professionals, university students, tourists, and coffee enthusiasts within the Sydney CBD area. Psychographically, they value quality and experience who are active on social media channels to engage with the brand.
The campaign strategies we will employ to ensure it is a success are the following. We will position Edison Roasters as being different to other coffee shops and will push a strong message of craftsmanship. It will still be cheaper than the grounds of the city, but still more expensive than other small competitors in both the CBD and Chinatown. The key message from this campaign would be the fusion table and where Tokyo meets Copenhagen. The value proposition would stem from the sustainable origins of the coffee and providing an Instagrammable, worthy coffee, all whilst remaining delicious. The creative strategy would be seasonal dishes, which are able to be paired with a specific matching coffee bean. We would also display drawings of how the seeds are cultivated and the process they follow to end up as an art piece in someone's coffee cup.
To bring this campaign to life, we'll be using an integrated marketing communications approach to ensure every aspect reflects Edition Roasters as a brand and highlights their unique story of craftsmanship and cultural fusion. Specifically, we will combine the online channels of Instagram, TikTok, and Google to showcase the Fusion Table, which combines minimalist visuals, slow motion coffee pours, and stories from bean to cup. We'll collaborate with local influencers and feature our seasonal pairings to highlight how Edition Roasters blends Japanese precision with Scandinavian simplicity. Offline, we'll extend this experience into the physical world through in-store displays, pop-up tasting events, and local posters throughout Sydney CBD and Chinatown. Everything will tie together through the consistent visuals, tone, and the message, where Tokyo meets Copenhagen. Ultimately, the campaign isn't just about selling coffee. It's about inviting people into a sensory story of craftsmanship, sustainability, and design that can only be found at Edition Roasters.
So for this campaign, we allocated a total budget of $20,000. So the largest portion is 40% goes to paid advertising on Instagram, Facebook, Google, and TikTok. So 20% is dedicated to content creation like photography and video, while 15% supports influencer collaboration, and another 15% goes to in-store and pop-up events. So the remaining 10% covers tools, subscriptions, and staff trainings. So the campaign will run for 3 months. So in weeks 1 and 2, we set up content and ads and contracts. Weeks 3 and 4 focus on launching ads and influencer content. Weeks 5 to 8 drive engagement through events, TikTok content, and seasonal promotions. And weeks 9 and 10 highlight the collaboration and user generated content. And finally, weeks 11 and 12 wrap up with a closing event and performance review. So this structure ensures a balanced approach between digital reach, community engagement and real world brand experience.
This campaign evaluation, we will measure success through specific key performance indicators aligned with our objectives. So, first of all, we aim for a 20% increase in foot traffic to our Chinatown and CBD stores. This would be assessed, for example, by using Google Analytics, Wi Fi tracking, POS data, and customer service, which would help to determine how visitors learned about our summer menu. Second of all, our goal is a 15% revenue increase from the seasonal menu. We would analyze POS records and Google Analytics data to evaluate the impact of click to purchase ads and online engagement. Third of all, we will assess customer engagement by monitoring likes, shares, comments, and click through rates using Facebook and Instagram insights. Finally, weekly reviews will ensure timely adjustments to targeting and content. Overall, we expect increased store visits, improved revenue, and higher online interaction resulting from this campaign.